Question 1. How far should someone be able to see a car's turn signals in regular daylight if they have normal eyesight? Now remember, turn signals are your indicators. So is it option A, 20 meters? Is it option B, 30 meters? Or is it option C, 150 meters? Now the correct answer here would be 30 meters. So what does this mean? This means that if someone is 30 meters away from your vehicle in regular daylight, and if they have normal eyesight, they should be able to see your car's indicator lights, right? So question 2. What color should indicator lights be? Is it option A, pink? Is it option B, blue? Or is it option C, white, yellow, or amber? Now let's think about the indicator lights, right? I'm sure we all have seen an indicator light before. So try to remember, what color have you seen, right? And look at the options given to you. Which of the options will closely resemble the color that you remember? Is it option A, pink? Is it option B, blue? Or is it option C, white, yellow, or amber? The correct answer here would be option C, white, yellow, or amber. Question 3. What is the correct name for this sign? So let's look at that sign, right? It's the green sign on the right hand side. We can see there's sort of a rectangular shape and then an arrowhead towards the left. And we can see it says New End High School. So they're not asking you what does the sign tell you, what is the meaning of the sign. They're asking you what is the correct name for the sign. So don't get confused, because they can ask you road sign questions in many different ways. So is it option A fingerboard? Is it option B, a green board? Or is it option C, a blue board? Now, just because the sign is green doesn't mean it's called a green board, right? The name of the sign has nothing to do with colors. Therefore, option A would be your correct answer. The name of the sign, the correct name of the sign, is a fingerboard. Question 4. Which sign notifies you of two-way traffic ahead? Is it option A, B, or C? So let's look at option A. We can see two lanes there and they are narrowing towards each other, right? In option B, we can see there are two people there. There's an adult and a child. And option C, we can see two arrows going in different directions. Now, all three are warning signs. How do we know it's warning signs? It's in a triangular shape and it has a red border. Now, the reason that I say option C is the correct answer is because we can see there are two arrows, right? Each arrow will represent the direction of traffic. And since both are going in opposite directions, it's indicating to you that there's two-way traffic ahead. Question 5. Will a horse-drawn vehicle be allowed on a public road? Is it option A, no? Is it option B, yes? Or is it option C, only on weekends? Now let's think about this properly. Is any cart that is pulled by an animal allowed on the road? Do you see any on the road? And obviously, if you don't see any on the road, then you know most likely it's not allowed. So the correct answer here would be option A. Question 6. Which sign will you find in mountainous areas? Is it option A, B, or C? So let's look at option A. This again is a warning sign, and we can see there are rocks falling within that sign. And option B, we can see a vehicle that's going off the road into water. And we can see option C is a drawbridge. Now, the only correct answer here would be option A, because if you think about mountains, what do we think about? We think about rocks. And if there are rocks falling, then obviously that would mean it is a mountainous area. So option A will be your correct answer. Question 7. Which sign will you find in an area with water? Is it option A, B, or C? Now, we have said this in the previous question, that option B will indicate to you that the road ahead ends because of water. Therefore, option B will be your correct answer. Question 8. In an urban area, you can't leave your car unattended for more than, is it option A, 48 hours? Is it option B, 2 days? Or is it option C, 7 days? Now, you should see that option A and B are the same, and A and B are incorrect, right? Option C is your correct answer. So if you leave your car unattended for more than 7 days, right, in an urban area, it will be deemed abandoned and it will be taken away. It will be impounded, right? So question 9. Are you allowed to stop your vehicle within 6 meters of a bridge? Is it option A, yes, option B, no, or is it option C, only on weekends? Now the correct answer here would be option B, no. Question 10. Which sign will warn you of a road that narrows from one side only? Is it option A, B, or C? So option A will feature a train, so that can't be it. Right, let's just skip to option C. Option C, you'll see two elderly people within that sign, and again, that will not be it. The correct answer here is indeed option B. As you can see, there is one lane going straight ahead, and that is the lane on the left. And then the lane on the right-hand side will then narrow towards the lane on the left. And option B will be your correct answer. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you found that this video was useful for you, if you learned something new, then please give it a like. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe. I want to wish all those that are writing their learner's license test soon the very best. Just constantly revise your work, and I know for a fact that you will pass. So all the best. Take care, and God bless you all. Goodbye.